Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. So in today's video I am, as you guys can see, my hair looks like this, and that's because I'm gonna be reviewing a new hair device, which is, it's super heavy. I am going to be reviewing the new Dyson Supersonic. This is a hair dryer, but it's not like an ordinary hair dryer. It's something super fancy and luxury. You guys, it's very expensive, but we'll find out if it's worth the price or not. Honestly, I am a fan of Dyson. I know all their products are very pricey, but I do believe the reason they charge you so much is because you get what you pay for. So I'm gonna be testing out this one, do a little first impressions. But the thing that I'm most excited about in this new Dyson Supersonic is the different attachment it comes with. So let me show you real quick. So as you all can see on the packaging, we have like, oh, I'm literally struggling. Okay, so this right here is the hair dryer. However, these are all the attachments. This is what I'm most excited about. This is the new Flyaway Attachment. This Flyaway Attachment is supposed to help you with this. So today I'm gonna be testing this out. I'll open it in front of you and see how it is. So let's get started. So let's open it up. Okay, so here we have it. This right here is the Dyson Supersonic, as you all can see. Now you're gonna remove this. I really love the way they packed everything. It's very protective. As you can see here, it shows this electricity thingy. That means this is where the wires are. I also like how all Dyson packaging is made of cardboard, which is super nice because usually all the packagings are not really like this. They're plastic. Now, in this packaging, we have all the attachments. So these are all the different heads that you can attach onto the hair dryer. You can see we've got all the different attachment heads here. Woo! And last but not the least, we also have user manual, which shows, it's not a manual, but these are all the safety instructions. Yeah, it's not a manual. So this is the same old. If you know what the Supersonic looks like, it is first one. This is exactly what it is. This and this. So this is where all the attachments are gonna be connected to. Really nice. It's so lightweight. Usually hair dryers are so heavy, which I do not like. I love the, you know, the finish, the material, the quality that's been used. Oh, by the way, this video is not sponsored. This is my own review. Okay, so this is where the air flows, so you can press on, off, all of that, and this is where you're gonna attach all the different attachments, and then you can just like, oh, it also comes with the manual registration. You can register your device on Dyson's website, so if ever anything goes wrong within the warranty period, they're gonna fix it as long as it's registered in their system. So make sure to do that once you buy their products. So this is attachment number 1. This is the attachment I'm most excited about. This attachment is amazing for people with curly hair. If you've got afro and stuff, I know you guys use this. These are 2 more attachments. So this is the diffuser. You guys know how much diffuser is important. If you have curly hair and you want to get that voluminous effect, you use this. Right now I'm kind of out of it, and this is the regular hair dryer head, which is the basic one. So look at this. It connects like bam, because it's they both have magnet, so it's so fancy. Look, 1, 2, like wow, it's so nice. So let's connect it to the power and put it to the test, shall we? So I'm gonna be sectioning my hair into 2. I will straighten both of them, and then I will be using the Flyaway attachment on one side and not use anything on the other, and then we will see how much of a difference it actually makes. So let's do it. So another thing that I have noticed of Dyson products is that they don't make a lot of noise like other products would. It will give off so much heat that your room will become super hot. This won't. Like, it doesn't become hot in your hand. It doesn't give off that much heat that it will damage your hair. So in order to turn it on, you have to do this up. And then this button helps you choose how much of a heat you want, and this button helps you choose the speed of the fan. Okay, let's do it. And this is for the cold air. another thing, I'm not that great with blow drying, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we'll see. Before I begin to blow dry my hair, I'm gonna quickly make sure that my hair is tangle free. My hair is not freshly washed. I washed my hair like 3 days ago, but I haven't styled it, so it has not been straightened before. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna blow dry this side. I don't know how I'm gonna blow dry because I'm not so good at it. This brush I will be using in order to blow dry my hair. Do not judge me when you see me struggle, because like I said, I am a hair straightener person, okay? I love it. I love it so much. However, with this comb thingy, I don't know how to show it to you. This attachment, it was really good. Even though it's meant for afro hair, it actually worked really well on my hair. I love it. I'm gonna try and do it with this now and use this brush. I have seen my hairstylist use this the most. So what they do is they take a bit of section and then they do like this. Wait. So they take a bit of hair and then they turn it on. Well, I kind of did it. It needs practice. So I'll be back. Let me straighten my hair nicely and come back. I am back with my straight hair. So as you guys can see, do you see this? These or this. So this is what gives you a look of not a professionally done hairstyle, you know what I mean? Like, it just doesn't look nice, and apparently this is going to fix this. Now I'm gonna try it out, okay? The more you go out in the humidity, the more you will get flyaways. Take my Dyson Supersonic and attach this one, the Flyaway Attachment. Bam. So it's gonna go this way downwards in order to get rid of all the flyaways. So I'm gonna do this side and this side will remain untouched. So let's begin. Turn it on. Did you see that? I'm a little shocked. What was that? I'm gonna do all my hair wherever I feel I will get this issue. Alright guys, so I just used the Flyaway Attachment on this side of my head and I think the results are pretty visible. As you all can see, this side just automatically looks much nicer and like softer and more professionally done. However, this side is still messy, but this one is just more sleek, more shiny, and just wow. Bro, wow. I mean, they're still there, but like, I don't know. They're not as bad as this. I really like it. I'm gonna do this side as well and then come back so you can notice the total difference. Alright guys, I am done and I'm very impressed. No, trust me, I am impressed. Like with this machine, attachment, device, whatever, I got some really nice results. So basically my hair is very frizzy, especially after I straighten or style my hair in any manner. I get flyaways no matter what. However, with this device and this attachment, this issue is actually resolved. The reason being is that the way it's been made, it's super interesting. The design is made in such a way that it attracts and pulls the hair towards itself, and whatever is the flyaway hair, it will get sucked into this, and then it will just make sure they sit and rest. I still have to use this couple of times more to understand how to properly use it, and overall this supersonic is really nice. I have the old one and I have the new one too now. The new one has some different attachments, however the old one didn't have 5 attachments with it. All in all, your girl is impressed. But as my first impressions, as my review, I would rate it 10 out of 10. This brings us to the end of today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed and loved my video and found this review of the Dyson Supersonic Flyaway Attachment helpful. If you did, please make sure to give my video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be posting regularly, like I always say. Don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. They're all down below in the description box. You can check them out. Let me know your thoughts on today's video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. So until next time, goodbye.